Are your legs feeling heavy or swollen? Do your joints ache when you walk or climb stairs? You are not alone. Many people face this problem, but the good news is you can help your legs and joints feel stronger with the right foods. Yes, the foods you eat every day can make a big difference. Imagine waking up and feeling light, active, and free from stiffness. Today, I will share 8 collagen-rich foods that can help your legs and joints stay healthy and strong. And if you watch till the end, I'll give you a bonus tip that most people never know, which can speed up your results even more. 1. Bone broth. Bone broth is packed with natural collagen. Drinking it regularly can help your joints stay flexible. It also reduces swelling and supports healthy legs. Try sipping a cup a day or use it in soups and stews. 2. Chicken. Chicken is not only tasty, but also full of proteins that help your body make collagen. Eating chicken regularly can strengthen your joints and improve leg health. Simple grilled or boiled chicken works best. 3. Fish. Fatty fish like salmon and sardines are excellent for your joints. They contain omega-3 fatty acids that fight inflammation and support collagen. Including fish 2 to 3 times a week can keep your legs and joints healthier. 4. Egg whites. Egg whites are rich in proline, an amino acid your body needs to produce collagen. You can eat them boiled, scrambled, or in omelets. They help keep your joints strong and reduce stiffness. 5. Citrus fruits. Oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are full of vitamin C. Vitamin C helps your body make more collagen naturally. Eating citrus fruits daily can keep your joints flexible and your legs feeling light. 6. Berries. Strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are packed with antioxidants. They protect the collagen in your body from damage and reduce inflammation. Adding a handful of berries to your breakfast or snacks is easy and very effective. 7. Garlic. Garlic may surprise you, but it contains sulfur, which is important for collagen production. Eating garlic regularly can support joint health and reduce swelling in your legs. Add it to salads, soups, or cooked dishes. 8. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and other leafy greens are rich in vitamin C and magnesium. These nutrients help your body make and maintain collagen. Include them in salads, smoothies, or stir-fries to keep your legs and joints strong. Besides eating these collagen-rich foods, there are a few simple habits that can make a big difference. First, drink plenty of water every day. Staying hydrated helps your joints stay smooth and flexible. Second, try to reduce sugar in your diet. Too much sugar can damage collagen and make swelling worse. Third, keep your legs moving with light exercises like walking or gentle stretches. This helps the collagen in your joints work better and keeps your legs strong. Following these small tips with your healthy foods can give you faster and better results. Now you know the 8 best collagen-rich foods for strong legs and healthy joints. Adding bone broth, chicken, fish, egg whites, citrus fruits, berries, garlic, and leafy greens to your daily diet can make a big difference. Your legs will feel lighter, your joints will move easier, and swelling can reduce over time. Start with small changes today and give your body the nutrients it needs to stay strong. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple health tips that really work. Your legs and joints will thank you.